Bonjour.
Bonjour, dear. Bonjour. Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous?
Comment bien, merci.
Ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien, merci. Comment allez-vous?
Ça va bien, merci.
One Pia, three Pia. Now, how will you ask me? Ask me also. Ask to me also. No one is asking to me. How are you in French? How will you ask?
Comment allez-vous?
Comment allez-vous? Once again.
Comment allez-vous?
Moi aussi, ça va bien. Très, très bien. D'accord. Donc, in the previous class, we learned two accents, right? Two accents, axo-aigu and laxograph. You remember that?
Oui.
We?
Oui.
Yes?
Oui.
Okay. You had, everyone had lunch? I can see everyone is sleepy. Are you sleepy? Sleepy? Are you sleepy? Okay, everyone stand up. Everyone stand up. Everyone stand up. Just, yeah, everyone stand up. And you, I will show you one thing. You try to do that. Please don't share the screen. Someone is sharing screen. Please don't share screen. Okay, I am going to show something. You try whether you can do it or not. Okay, I'll just take this headset out and you see whether you are able to do that. One hand forward, you have to circle. One hand forward, other hand backward. One hand for front, other hand opposite direction. One hand this way, other hand in the opposite direction, like that. One hand this way, other hand opposite direction. One hand this way, other hand opposite direction. At the same time, two hands will rotate in the opposite direction. One hand forward, other hand backward. No, I can see everyone who is trying that, but it is not happening with you. One hand opposite front side direction, other hand back side direction. Is it possible for you?
Yes.
Possible for you?
Yes.
You are trying it, but I am not able to see anyone is doing it properly. Not correct. Not correct. Try once again. Ethan, try. One hand forward, other hand backward. Like this. Opposite direction. Are you able to do? Let me check. Continue doing it. Continue doing it. Let me check who is doing nicely. No. No, everyone is doing like swimming. Everyone is doing like swimming, not swimming. One hand forward, other hand backward. No, no. At the same time. At the same time. You are not able to do it. So everyone, you will try. Will you try it?
Oui.
Devadash. No, Devadash is doing swimming action. No, that is swimming action like this. I not like that. One hand forward, other hand backward at the same time. You try, you will get it. You will try, you will get it. Okay, everyone, sit down, everyone. Now we can stop doing it. I hope. I just want to give you one exercise. You can try it. It is something you should concentrate and do because it is something you can do with the coordination of your brain, then your muscle. Coordination of brain and muscles. That way you can try. Yes. No, Devdash. Yes, you can try. No, that's not the way. Devdash, you can sit. Okay, everyone, sit down. It's okay. It's okay. You can try. You can try. Okay. You can try. Please keep the hands down now. Keep your hands down now. Devdash, you can stop. Stop. Okay, then remove that hand raise symbol, Devdash, and mute everyone. Okay, enough. Enough. After the class, you can do now. Now, is there anyone feeling sleepy? Is there anyone who feels sleepy? Right. Okay. Dakko, in the previous class, enough. Now, please stop doing that. Now, we will be back to the class. Okay, yes. So in the previous class, we learned accents. Accents. Le saxo. We learned le saxo. You remember that? Everyone remember that accents? Two accents, laxo aigu and laxo grave. Yes, laxo grave. Do you want me to explain one more time quickly those two accents and then introduce another one? How many of you want me to introduce those, explain those previous two accents one more time? How many of you want? Okay, one hand from Abhinav. Okay, I can, okay, see, hands are there. So I am going to explain once again, quickly, two accents that we learned in the previous class. Yes, Abu Tahir, you can keep down that, remove that hand raise symbol. Now I'm going to mute everyone. You don't have to write anything. If you want to write down the lecture notes, you can write in your rough book. Lecture notes also want to write, you can write in your rough book. Okay, so our topic is les accents. Les accents. Les accents means the accents. The accents. In French, we have total 5 accents. There are total 5 French accents. The first French accent, the first one is laxo aigu, A-C-C-E-N-T, laxo aigu. Laxo aigu is the first one, and the symbol is like this, just one small line like this. That is laxo aigu. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Répétez means to repeat. Répétez means to repeat. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Laxo aigu. Laxo aigu. Are you repeating there? Laxo aigu. D'accord? So laxo aigu you will be able to see with letter E. Only with letter E. When laxo aigu will come, yuh pronunciation. E sound is yuh. When we practice, that will change to A. Pronunciation of E will change to A. A. Répétez. A. Exemple. Exemple means example. Exemple en français. Example in French. École. École. Répétez s'il vous plaît tout le monde. École. Répétez s'il vous plaît tout le monde means everyone, please do repeat. Répétez s'il vous plaît tout le monde means everyone, please do repeat. École. École means school. École means school. L'autre exemple, baby. Baby means baby. Baby means baby. 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 Répétez s'il vous plaît. Baby. L'autre exemple. L'autre exemple. Été. Été. Été means summer. Été. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Été. L'autre exemple. Elephant. Elephant means elephant. Elephant means elephant. 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 One more time. Acorn. Baby. Été. Elephant. I hope, one more time, I will unmute everyone. I want to hear how you are pronouncing these words. Repeat after me. Only repeat after me. Acorn.
Acorn.
Baby. Été. Elephant. Not elephant. Elephant. When I said elephant. Wait. Okay, I am muting everyone. It is not elephant. Elephant. 2 times. Elephant. Try to break the word and repeat. Elephant. Elephant. So I am unmuting everyone. I want to hear once again. You have to repeat after me.
Elephant.
No. I can hear elephant. It is not elephant. Listen. No. Okay, I muted everyone. Few are saying elephant. Few are saying elephant. Both are wrong. Elephant. Try to repeat, break the word like this. Elephant. Elephant. Dako, I hope this much is clear for you. Laxo ague is clear for you. John, please don't touch the screen. Just remove it back. Erase that. No one is allowed to do that. Wait. Okay. So laxo ague, I hope this much is clear for you. Now, second accent that we learned in the previous class. That is second one. That is laxo grave. Répétez s'il vous plaît. L'accent grave. L'accent grave. Répétez. L'accent grave means grave accent. The symbol is like this. In the opposite direction of laxo ague, laxo grave, you will be able to see laxo grave along with letters E, A, U. E, A, U. Only with these 3 letters, you will be able to see laxo grave. Now, when laxo grave will come, U pronunciation, E, which is U pronunciation, will change to English A sound. A. Repeat it. A. Alla A then, are you repeating there? What are you doing? All of you close your books. Close your books, everyone. So, when laxo grave will come along with letter E, pronunciation will be A. A. Exemple en français. Mère. Mère. Répétez. Mère means mother. Mother. Mère. Mère. L'autre exemple. Père. Père means father. Father. Père. Père. L'autre exemple. Frère. Frère means brother. Brother. Frère. Frère. Once again, repeat after me. Mère, père, frère. And when laxo ague will come along with A and U, there won't be any change in pronunciation. Laxo grave will not make any change in the change when it comes with letters A and U. Now, I will unmute everyone for some time. You have to repeat after me. Please do repeat after me, everyone. Mère.
Mère.
Père. Père. Not fair. Frère. Très bien. Très bien. Donc, I am going to the third. I am going to introduce you the third accent. Everyone listen carefully. Third one. It is the new accent that we are going to learn today. Third one is laxo circumflex. Third accent is laxo circumflex. ACCENT, axon, circumflex. It is something, yeah. Laxo-circumflex symbol is like this. One small cap-like symbol. Laxo-circumflex, you will be able to see laxo-circumflex only with vowel letters A, E, I, O, U. All the vowel letters A, E, I, O, U. You will be able to see laxo-circumflex with all the vowel letters A, E, I, O, U. Okay, and laxo-circumflex will only just affect letter E. For others, it will not affect. For others, laxo-circumflex will not give any change in pronunciation. Laxo-circumflex accent won't affect your, or it will not change the pronunciation. Same pronunciation. Now you might have think, then why this laxo-circumflex? What is the purpose of laxo-circumflex, right? So listen to me carefully. Aldrin, just listen. Listen. See, other subjects your parents might have, they might have been able to help you. But French, if you have doubt, your parents also, they might not be able to help you. So please listen properly. Once I am telling. Okay, please do listen properly. So laxo-circumflex, you will be able to see along the vowel letters. That means when you see laxo-circumflex like this, laxo-circumflex, it gives you, it just reminds you that after this vowel letter, you will be able to feel the presence of letter S, the historical presence of letter S. Historical presence. Why I said that historical presence of letter S? That means it when in the word you will not be able to see any S. In the French word with this S, you won't be able to see this S there, but you will be able to feel the historical presence. I will explain to you with an example. Carefully, listen carefully. I'm going to write one word on the board. One word. You will be able to find any connection, similarity with an English word, that you know. So you have to guess that word. I will write, you have to guess what is the meaning of that word in English. Okay, I'm going to write. I wrote one word here. I wrote one word here. You have to guess the English word. Guess the English word. Those who know, please just click on the hand raise button. Those who know it, please click on the hand raise button. The meaning of this word, or if you find any if you find any connection in English word. Any? No one is able to find. Okay, I can see few hands are there. Few hands are there. Wait, let me check. Stop sharing. Okay, Afrin, what can be the meaning of that word?
Forest.
Trebia. Afrin, that you are right. Very good, Trebia. Foray is forest. F-O-R-E-S-T. F-O-R-E-S-T. The Solemuva accent is not there here. F-O-R-E-T. Accent is here. Circumflex is here, not on O. So she told forest. That's the right answer. Right answer. Same meaning. Foray in French is forest. See, where do you see this laxo-circumflex in this word? Laxo-circumflex you can see here in this word, in this letter E. After this E, in English, you will be able to see S. Okay, here we are not pronouncing S here. Foray. No S sound. In the spelling also, there is no S. Pronunciation also, S is not there. But in the English word, you will be able to see S. So to remind you that they are just giving you that symbol to remind you about that. Another word I am going to give you. Please remove the hand raise symbol from there. Afrin and Aiden, please remove the hand raise symbols from there. Devar, remove that hand raise symbol from there. Aiden, remove. Aiden, remove that hand. Okay, he is not able to do it. Okay, your hand is, I can see your hands are raised there. Okay, now new word I am going to share. So you have to find out the word. If you know the word, just click on the hand raise button. Okay, first I saw Devarsh. First button okay, came from Devarsh. Yes, Devarsh. Pardon once again.
Hostel.
Trebia, hostel. Hostel, hostel. See here, O, lax or circumflex, you will be able to see on O. After that O in the English word, you can see here S. The hotel. This is hotel, and the meaning is also there. Hotel in English, hotel. That is also correct because the word hotel came from the word hostel. Both are right. Hotel means hostel and hotel. Both are right. Both are right. Okay. Hotel. Pronunciation of this word is hotel. Repeat, s'il vous plaît. Hotel. Now I'm going to please remove that hand raise symbol from there, everyone. Please remove that hand raise symbol. Once your question is done, you can remove that hand raise symbol from there. Now, next question. Devarsh again, his hand I can see. Prarthana is the many hands are there. First I will call Daksha.
Ma'am,
Yes. Hospital. Trebia. Hospital. Hospital. See, everyone here. O is having lax or circumflex here. After that, in the English, you have yes. Hospital. Repeat, s'il vous plaît. Hospital. In French, we will say hospital. Daksha, you can mute. Everyone, please remove the hand raise symbol. Another one. Another one, guess the meaning. Guess the meaning. Abhinav.
First.
Not first.
First.
Your answer is not first. Not for you mean fest. Do you mean fest?
No.
No, first is not the answer. Afreen, you have the answer with you? Do you have the answer with you? Okay, Dako. Afreen, yes.
Feet.
Once again.
Feet.
No, feet. No, it is not feet. It is not feet. And Zirika? S presence will be there. Angelica, can you guess the meaning? No. Rohan?
Festival.
Festival, right? Festival, fest. F-E-S-T, fest. See, after this E, you will be able to see S here. Fest. Meaning is fest, feast. Both are right. Fest, feast or party. In English, we'll say party also. Fest, feast or party. Both meanings are, three meanings are there. Fest means feast, fest or party. Both are right. Okay, so everyone, please do repeat after me. Foray. Everyone repeat after me. Foray. Hotel. Hospital. Fête. Once again, foray. Hotel. Hospital. Fête. Now, when I said hotel, hospital, did you find any mistake? There are two mistakes I can find here. But did you find any mistake? Hotel, hospital. Did you find any mistake? I am going to unmute so you can share your hotel and hospital. I said, okay, but there are two mistakes there. What can be the mistake?
O sound.
O sound, hotel and hospital. O sound is coming, right? Yeah, spelling. H. Yeah, there is H. Yes, right.
It is silent.
H is silent. Trebia. Very good. I muted everyone. I saw. That's right. Very good. Trebia. Hotel. Hospital. The word is beginning with H. These two words are beginning with H. But I am not saying a hotel or hospital. H sound I am not repeating. I am not saying it. Because in French, if your word is beginning with H, if your word is beginning with H, then H will be silent. H will be silent if your word is beginning with H. Okay? And one more thing, we will consider letter H as a vowel letter if your word is beginning with, if it is coming at the beginning. We will consider H as a vowel letter in French if that H is coming at the beginning of a sentence, beginning of a word. Beginning of a word, if H is coming, then we will consider H as a vowel letter. Okay, don't go and say, yeah, in French, we have 6 vowel letters, A, E, I, O, U, H. No, H is not a vowel letter. But if H is coming at the beginning, H will be silent and we will consider H as a vowel letter. We will consider, we are giving the consideration H, for H as a vowel letter. But you never say that H is a vowel letter in French. Okay, that is a wrong statement. We are not saying H is a vowel letter. I am telling you, we will consider H as a vowel letter if it is coming at the beginning of a sentence, beginning of a word. I hope this much is clear for you. And there is one more mistake in this word, hotel and hospital. When I said hotel, hospital, here the word is ending with L. Word is ending with L. Okay, here the word is ending with L. See, L, hospital. L is a consonant letter. Angelica, are you listening? L is a consonant letter. So according to the rule I told you earlier, if the word is in French, if your word is ending with a consonant letter, then L will be, that letter will be silent. Here L is a consonant letter, so that should be silent. But I pronounced it, hotel, hospital. Okay, so that these are exceptional cases. These are exceptional cases. Like we have rules, there are many exceptional cases like this. Mostly, if your word is ending with a consonant letter, that will be silent. But there are exceptional cases like this. Hotel and hospital, here we will pronounce L. Here we will pronounce L. So I hope lakhs of circumference is clear for you. There is no much changes to see. There is no pronunciation change, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay. Now one more time, you have to repeat after me. Hotel, hospital, forêt, fête. Once again, forêt, hotel, hospital, fête. Forêt, hotel, hospital, fête. Fête. Meaning also I will write forest, hostel or hotel. Hospital is hospital. And fête is fest. Fest. Please do repeat after me. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Forêt, hotel, hospital, fête. Please everyone remove that hand raise symbol. Hand raise symbol, please remove that. I am unmuting everyone. I want all of you to repeat after me. Forêt, hotel, or hotel. Hotel, hospital, fête. One is not repeating at the same time, so it is very disturbing. Everyone repeat after me. Fore, hotel, hospital, fête. Okay, Dakko, Trebia. Now I will quickly take the attendance first, and after that I will make everyone pronounce these words. Pronounce these words. Okay. When it's time, so I am ending the session. Everyone, please do revise these 3 accents. The remaining accents we will see in the next class. So everyone, we'll see you in the next class. Au revoir. Au revoir. Bye-bye.